What is myeloma? Myeloma is a type of blood cancer that develops from plasma cells in the bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue found inside the inner part of some of our large bones. It makes different types of blood cells. All blood cells start as the same type of cell, called a stem cell. These develop into red cells, white cells, and platelets. There are several types of white blood cells. Some white blood cells, called B lymphocytes, develop to form plasma cells. They are an important part of the immune system. Normal plasma cells make proteins called antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins. These antibodies help the body to fight infections. Myeloma starts when there's a mistake with the bone marrow making plasma cells. These abnormal plasma cells are myeloma cells. They divide to make more myeloma cells. Myeloma cells make abnormal types of antibodies called paraproteins or monoclonal proteins. These abnormal antibodies don't work. Myeloma reduces the number of normal immune cells and normal antibodies. This is why people with myeloma get more infections. The large amount of the abnormal antibodies or paraproteins can thicken the blood. This can make you feel dizzy or have headaches. The myeloma cells also crowd the bone marrow, leaving little space for other types of blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. They carry oxygen around the body. When there are fewer red blood cells, you become anemic. This means you feel tired and might be breathless. Myeloma cells can build up anywhere in the body. This is why it's also called multiple myeloma. Myeloma cells can also damage and break down nearby bones. This can cause pain and the release of calcium into the bloodstream, which causes high calcium levels. High calcium levels cause symptoms including feeling thirsty, constipated, or confused. Myeloma cells can also damage the kidneys. Information about your symptoms helps your specialist plan the best treatment for you. Find out more about treatment at cruk.org/myeloma.